Doing 1920 select hybrid basketball for Rod. Good luck, Rod. Or a big rookie gold. Windler, Rose, Keldon Johnson, hybrid, rookie. Romeo Langford Green, 4 of 49. That is the court side. Donovan Mitchell and Coby White. Fernando, Noel. Well, that's the second LeBron silver. That's nice. Concourse silver. Russell Westbrook red out of 49. Trey and DeAndre Jordan. Lou Williams silver. Akpala, Jordan Poole. Here we go, Morant. Little. Coby White, there you go. Hybrid rookie card. Lonzo Trier, Brazikas, and Brandon Clark. Rod, thank you very much. Some pretty good hits. Thank you very much. We'll get these out to you today.